Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to increase Snap score in Snapchat in 2022. Now obviously we all know that sending more snaps will initially raise our score, right? So that's the first thing that we can do. Now the second thing is adding new friends, right? After you add a lot of friends, a lot of new friends, you will get and you will raise your score as well. Now obviously third thing is open up snaps regularly to increase your score. Now let's talk about other features or other things that you can do to increase your snap score. So other things that you can do is you can actually go to socialbooster.me. Now this is one of the best ways to buy cheap snap scores for Snapchat. So what you can do is you can go here. You can scroll down until you see Snapchat, click on Snapchat, go to Snap Score, and here what you can do is you can actually order a Snap Score. As you can see, 1,000 points is $100, so it is a little bit expensive. So if you want million points, that is $100,000, which is insane, right? And if you want, for example, 100,000 points, that is $10,000. So again, you can you can add 5,000 points. This is $500, right? And as you can see, this is the start time, this is the quality, the speed and geography that you will get your points. So there are a lot other platforms where you can increase your snap score and buy your snap score, but this is one of the most trusted platforms. As you can see right here with the latest reviews, there are 350 reviews right here, and you can also contact them here in this as you can see online chat, and you can contact them and ask them how much is. But yeah, it's $0.1 per one Snapchat score, just so you know. So that's pretty much it. This is how to increase Snapchat score in Snapchat. Again, you will have to spend some money if you want to do it fast, but again, I said a couple of things for free at the start of this video that you can do to increase your Snapchat score. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below. This website will be linked in the description, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.